Hi, I'm Debbie. This is Jim.
Hi.
We're doing a whole house renovation with Home Love. Our daughter knew that we were looking to do a whole house renovation, and we had been working on that for well over a couple of years. We had met with several different contractors and came away without a plan. And so our daughter wrote to Dirt to Design and explained our situation, and Dirt to Design referred us to Home Love. I found that Home Love was very responsive. Initially, we met with Evan Friend, and Evan was exceptional at listening to our vision and talking about ways that Home Love would convert that to reality. And you can see a part of that starting right now with the kitchen extension.